Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and chewy chocolate chip cookies. That's right, we're about to hit critical levels of moist. Leo cooks things, I cook things. Let's make some cookies. First up, in a bowl I'm going to put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yes. Now combine all of that together. Combination. How do dolphins make bread? With all-purpose flour. Now for our second mix, 1 egg goes in. We're also going to put in half a cup of butter. Half a cup of butter. Come on. Half a cup of butter. There we go. Half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Smells like a dream, but tastes like poison. Half a cup of white sugar. And half a cup of light brown sugar. Yeah. Now mix it all together. I recommend using softened butter or else this will be a nightmare. Now we're going to sift in our flour. The reason why we sift the flour is there'll be less chunks. Make sure it's all well combined into the dough. And that's our dough. Time for the chocolate. Time for the chocolate. I'm going to use dark chocolate here because I don't want the cookies to be too sweet.
Unlike me.
Make sure you get good quality chocolate. Don't skimp on it. It's like the most important part. After love. I like to use Lindt. The brand, not what's in your dryer. Don't do that. And now I'm going to chop. I want about half a cup of this. I prefer this method over chocolate chips because it makes the cookies way more chocolatey. Way more chocolatey. And now we put the chocolate in here. And now we fold in all that friggin' goodness. Make sure it's everywhere. Make sure you got it in there everywhere. Oh, you look so good. No, I never measure how big they are, I just go by feel. So this recipe makes about a dozen cookies, but my pan is small, so here we are. Now I'm gonna finish these off with a tiny pinch of salt on each one. Now I'm gonna toss these into a 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And after about 10 minutes, you're left with these little babies. Let's look inside them. Ooh, boy. Cookies is good. That's it. Perfection. Bye, friends. I'm a sugar dragon.